Friday, April the 14th, Good Friday here as we get set to roll into the Easter weekend, and it's going to be a warm Easter weekend. We've had a few showers and storms early this morning in parts of the area. I'll show you that in just a second. There's a look live as I cut the video, which was during the 5 o'clock hour, from our Greensboro Tower camera, where in the Triad they're having a few showers and a couple thunderstorms. Charlotte all quiet and very mild. Let's look at the Dowd YMCA camera. A bit of a wind stirring around out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour, and it is a very mild morning. A lot of us in the low 60s and upper 50s in the Piedmont. Highs overachieved yesterday. It was a warm day. A lot of 80-degree readings once again across the region. 80 in Greensboro, Winston-Salem, and Lexington. 81 in Burlington yesterday. Salisbury at 80. Same story with Statesville and Albemarle. How about 83 in Gastonia, Rock Hill, and Charlotte yesterday? Even up in Boone, 73 yesterday. Now, over the past couple of hours, again, this was during the 3 and 4 o'clock hour early this morning, and this little complex of some showers and storms that was moving through parts of the Triad region specifically. Nothing severe, but briefly some heavy rain. These were the rainfall rates just after the 5 o'clock hour, which in some spots have been exceeding upwards of 2 inches per hour. As we've gone through the 3, 4, and the early 5 o'clock hours. Again, this was back early this morning, and this is undoubtedly gone by the time you're seeing this video. But just to show you, there was some decent little shower activity for a brief period of time early this morning. Mild temperatures all across the region and even all the way up through the northern plains. It's a pretty warm April morning underway across the region. Now, this is the updated drought monitor. Not a lot of change over the Carolinas, really. You have a lot of the Piedmont in this abnormally dry to moderate drought designation, severe drought designation from the western upstate into North Georgia. We could use a couple good rain events. Just to update the rainfall numbers here, there's the Triad rainfall deficit for the year as of yesterday, 2.25 inches or so. Charlotte deficit about a little bit over a half of an inch. But again, the water tables could use some recharging after the very dry year for a lot of last year too. Now here's the deal. High country and foothills see some isolated storms develop, and then due to the northwest flow aloft, a few of them could drift down through the Piedmont this afternoon and into this evening. There's the high-resolution modeling showing you just that idea. A few storms popping in the foothills, trying to drift down to the Piedmont, but the chance of rain today in any one location is very small. But there'll be a few showers and storms out there. A warm weather day. Let's break it down by parts of the region. There's the Triad viewing area, mid and upper 70s near the Virginia border, and I think highs in the upper 70s to around 80 as you head further to the south through the Triad viewing area. Charlotte viewing area, mountain area 70s, and then you get out to the foothills and the Piedmont, a lot of low 80s on the board here on this Good Friday afternoon. Now we get into Saturday, same basic idea. Mountains and foothills could see a few showers and storms, maybe drifting into the northwest Piedmont, but a lot of the region dry and warm Saturday. There's our Saturday highs, and then Easter Sunday. This next cold front still off to the northwest of us. Now that gets here on Monday and brings us some pretty good areas of showers and storms. But Sunday that holds to the northwest, most of us with a dry Easter Sunday and a very warm Easter Sunday. For Charlotte, sunrise Sunday morning at 6:49. Looks good for sunrise services and temperatures in the low 80s for highs. Greensboro, 6:44. Sunrise, same basic forecast concept. And if you are beach bound for the next few days, lucky you. But as good as can be. Upper 70s, some lower 80s for highs along the coast. A lot of sunshine, so really good stuff overall. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful Easter weekend, and God bless.